bafethu Uvani Sports lo solomhlanje ngizokhuluma ngegame ezodlala Orlando Pirates versus Marimo Gallants ngesonto. Yebo, first and foremost I would like to speak about udaba le Orlando Pirates nevenue ezosetshenziswa iPirates next week. Yebo, abantu abaningi bebelokhu bethi hayibo Orlando Pirates kanti ayinayo ivenue ezoyisebenzisa. Orlando Pirates ayi-own yini Orlando Stadium. Guys, don't get it twisted. Many stadiums like South Africa, mancane ama-teams own ama-stadiums. Orlando Pirates, yes, ingadlala Orlando Stadium, but Orlando Stadium ayi-own Orlando Pirates per se. Yebo, ayi-own Orlando Pirates per se. I-stadium ongasho ukuthi is-own Orlando Pirates, Ellis Park. Yebo, lesedlala ama-Lions if I'm not mistaken lapha eGoli. Yebo. So Orlando Pirates le weekend le siyakuyona ezayo next week izobhekana nePyramids FC ngoLesihlanu. Yabo, ngoLesihlanu ngesikwazi ukudlala eOrlando Stadium. There's a church service ezobe ikhona ngoba kuzoba khona iPassover. Njengoba kuzoba khona iPassover ke abakwazi ukudlala khona abadlali. I think bavumelana ukuthi kuyiwa le FNB singesazi. Yabo, salinde confirmation from the team ukuthi sikhiphele amathikithi isitshele ngevenue ukuthi kuzodlala kiphi event. But for me I think kuzoyiwa ke FNB Stadium. But ke going to this game, Orlando Pirates versus Marimo Gallants. I wanna say, yabona le game le, abantu abaningi bayitsho Orlando Pirates izoyidlulela lule ku-final. Many people they don't talk about this game. Angazi indaba singakhuluma le game. Igame ibaluleke kakhulu. Le game ibaluleke kakhulu kuJose Riviere. Yabo, the guy wants to take Orlando Pirates to the finals, to another final. He wants us to take us to another final and win this cup on the third time in a row enzenye history. Ufuna ukwenza history mfethu, and mina ngokubona kwami usengayenza history, but mase sibheke iMarimo Gallants. iMarimo Gallants sasana kushaba mfethu. Sasana kushaya iMarimo Gallants. Menikhumbula kahle le game asiyidlala nayo yashaya ngo-2-0. Yashaya ngo-2-0. Our former player uGabanelo Mhango walithola igoli and uMbatha kwashaya i-own goal kuleyo game. I wasn't happy with that own goal. It was poor defending from our side, but again abajida basidla ngo-2-0. Line yapha le game ewumsangana futhi uQabamanga playing uShandu was i-right wing abafethu. I don't know. Placing uMhankota ebenchini. Yabo, kuningi nje kule game okwangekho right. Yabo, engakaqaliwa engakayitholi game time uMbekezeli Mbokazi. I don't know why Somleleki engayitholi futhi nayo game time, because I've heard stories about the guy. They are saying he's good, but I haven't seen him play. The only time I saw Somleleki playing was against Chippa United. Yabo, sadlala la isesana kuqala isizini lapho khona ngambona edlala wathola ama minutes and the guy didn't impress me. But again, let's hope umjito usazoyithola game time, because le game esoyidlala siyadinga ukuthi si-introduce abadlali abasha. Yabo, angazi mangiyenza ini sense sadinga ukuthi si-introduce abadlali abasha nje mfethu. Sibalekele ama-injuries angenasidingo. Umdlalo njengombatha akayiqedi igame. Njengoba ngayiqedi igame asihlalise uMbatha kancane ebenchini sifake omunye umjito, omunye umdlali ongakwazi ukuyiqeda igame, because uMbatha umdlalisa njalo kusinikeza kusibeka engcupheni ukuthi umjito abe injured. Yabo, kusibeka nje engcupheni ukuthi abe injured. So looking at this scheme se Marimo Gallants, isona ischeme lese esiqinile ngfuqamba. Bayischeme esiqine ngempela indlela abadlala ngakhona. Bayischeme esiqinile. Igoli lokuqala basithola on a counter attack. I didn't like that goal, but ke balikora. Masubabheka kwi log standing bawale number 12. Boba number 12 bana 26 points. Yabo, abenzi kahle, but ke the new coach ufikile wenza inguquko wadlala kangcono nje befikile. Yabo, so nje belezansi. I don't know man. I don't know. Maybe mhlawumbe uzosinikeza i-chance ukuthi sikwazi ukubashaya, but most of the time meswa ngizothini ama-team meswazwela ngobuso mesitshe ukuthi siyawashaya abe less surprise. Yabo, abantu abaningi babeyitsho ukuthi Orlando Pirates izoyiwina le game against Marimo Gallants. Asitsho ukuthi sizoyiwina, but ke bashaya. Yabo, bashaya. Aseke siwa comparison ama-teams sibone ukuthi kahle kahle kuma games asasana wadlala yini mhlambe engasho ukuthi singconywana ngakhona. Yabo, kuma matches awu8. No man. Why bengikhumisa la? Yeah, kuma matches awu20. Sasidla ama matches awu20, Marimo Gallants adla ama matches awu24. badlala sakora amagoli awu 32 bakora amagoli awu 21 so consider 14 ba consider 35 so i-team consider le yabo ba consider impela so yeah yabo omunye I think 8 goals or 7 goals sinawo lapha sabashaya phela ngesikole esikhulu kabi laba sidlala iOrlando so nje wasiye Orlando Stadium right now ngifuna bajida mfethu bayimisele ngempela bakhombisa ukuthi siyabashaya yabo bakhumbule le loss le abayithola le eBloemfontein because last time we played sadlala eBloemfontein and the crowd was amazing. I-crowd yayilapha amazing kakhulu so mase ubheke nje indlela edlala khona passing range 60% ball possession ibona abo 46 yabo so ama clean sheets esinawo ayi10 ama clean sheets abanayo ayi7 goals conceded per game 0.7 bona 1.5 so akusiyona team le ekhipha kakhulu clean sheet yabo akusiyona team ekhipha kakhulu clean sheet but ke bayakwazi kona ukudlala into engakhuluma ngayo about le game le akumele senze izinto ngizothini akumele senze izinto ezifancy kakhulu we don't have to play fancy football yabo yes kule nto asidlali fancy football but yabona la singa approach le game le as a fancy football because they know ukuthi okay Orlando Pirates they haven't been playing ibhola elihle because they have been playing in CAF Champions League and basathana kuphuma kule club le iPolokwane City which is a good team too yabo Polokwane City yayidefende kahle that game I don't know if they were playing for a draw or they were playing to win yabo only player I saw in that Polokwane City team who was trying to give Orlando Pirates a game is Oswina Police yabo is the only guy and there was this guy who had a chance earlier in the game and Sipho Chene came through and saved Orlando Pirates but the only player I saw in that game against the Polokwane City who was trying to give us a game Oswina Police. The other players I don't know about they were flats they were defending the whole game Orlando Pirates ke yalithola igoli lekorwa uLomfana loSibisi so going to this game eMoromo Gallants FC they know vele Orlando Pirates team inequality yabo coach umusha wabo he has came through and saved them from a lot yabo sathana xoshwa u10 malisela so akusiyona team esingayithatha bafethu kalula lesi I trust the boys ukuthi bazokwazi ukudlulela ku final yabo another game ezodlala ngesonto igame iKaizer Chiefs versus iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala ngo6 I think izodlala eLucas Moreira Stadium if I'm not mistaken yabo leyo game leyo izobe ishube empela yabo iKaizer Chiefs ngizwile kuthiwa ayaya le phakameni yocela inhlanhla yabo to advance to the next round okuyi-final yabo if Kaizer Chiefs manage to win that game they will get isikhala kwi-CAF Confed yabo they will get isikhala kwi-CAF Confed because if you win Nedbank if you win Nedbank and you are not number 2 or number 1 you will get a chance to play in the CAF Confed yabo you will get that chance as iKaizer Chiefs if they pass Mamelodi Sundowns which is not an easy thing to do. Mamelodi Sundowns is playing good football in these days. They are playing good football so it's not easy to just beat Mamelodi Sundowns playing home yabo so yeah game le game izobaleka kakhulu for iPirates I hope the boys bazokwazi ukufika kwi-final another final ya Jose Riveiro amase ubheke indlela lendlela eshape ngakhona sikuma semi-finals right now sikuma semi-finals eNedbank Cup sikuma semi-finals eChampions League mase sibu number 2 kwiBetway Premiership yabo just number 2 kwiBetway Premiership kusathanda ku-updatewa i-log standing yabo njengoba sisanda ku-updatewa nje i-log standing mana ngifuna unibhekela le log standing le yabo isathanda ku-updatewa isathanda ku-updatewa i-log standing ayi mana Sina 2 games in hand. Just not 2 games in hand and just now a chance ukuthi sibashaye lapha. Sina a chance ukuthi siwin league. Yabo. Why bele ngiyisa la manje. Yabo. So njengoba isathanda ku-update nje la bazosusa 3 points. Yabo. Bazosusa 3 points la iSundowns ibe na 53 points. Ibe na 56 points if I'm not mistaken. 58 57 56 always about 55 points thina sibe na 46 because we haven't played against i-Rally M. Nizwile ke indaba ze-Rally M. Rally M iyahamba kwi-Betway Premiership. They have been terminated from the PSL. So lana ke njengoba nibona thina i-Sundowns izosusela igame eyodwa la. Njengoba kuzosiswa igame eyodwa la kuzosala 55 points kubona. Thina sina 2 games in hand. Njengoba sina 2 games in hand, igame ye-Arrows bese kuba futhi igame ye-Arrows. So sila 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. I-Sundowns ina 55 points. Njengoba ina 55 points, basalele igame eyodwa. Bebalidliwa leyo game leyo, it's over because sokwazi kubafica. I'm not saying it's over per se because they have a huge goal difference. Yabo mase ubheke goal difference yabo inkulu kunethu. So ngaba nzima kakhulu. So maybe a draw and a loss might help Orlando Pirates to overcome Mamelodi Sundowns. But mase ubheke singama semi-finals in both competitions, Nedbank Cup and i-CAF Champions League. Njengoba singama semi-finals endaweni eziwu-2 kusinikeza ithuba lokuthi sikwazi ukuqhudelana ne-Sundowns. I-Sundowns they are in the same position as us. Yabo bakuma semi-finals e-Nedbank, semi-finals CAF Champions League, and bawu number 1 kwi-Betway Premiership. Imagine if we went head to head in the CAF Champions League final, Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns, and Nedbank Cup final, Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns, and head to head in the Betway Premiership. Yabo, that would be one of the best runs I've ever seen in the Betway Premiership. Yabo, in the PSL history. Yabo ngaba nje into engakaze ibonakala because lama team la mwasubheka in the recent years their rivalry isikhule kakhulu. Yabo isikhule kakhulu. The last game they played in FNP, and many matches alandela kumele adlalwe FNP ama match eMamelodi Sundowns ne Orlando Pirates because this is a big game now. Yabo looking to overcome iSoweto Derby. I'm not saying it's bigger than iSoweto Derby, but indlela izinto ezenzeka ngakhona right now. Yabo the rivalry between the fans and the teams, it might overcome iSoweto Derby. Not saying it's bigger than the Soweto Derby, but it might overcome iSoweto Derby. Yabo. But ke mfethu igame esoyidlala ibaleka kakhulu ngesonto. Yabo ngangitshela wena ilena prediction ungayishaya for igame yange weekend uVana Sports lo. Ungakhohle bafethu usubscribe. Ngiyabonga ngesupport eninginika yona. Ngiyabonga.